Here I was working on a Kia Forte, and after I did an oil change, I noticed that the oil light would come on and off intermittently, depending on how you were revving it. But it was after I did an oil change, and there was a little bit of oil from the oil filter area leaking, and I thought it was just the oil filter. But like I said, this light kept coming on, and what I did was I noticed there was an oil pressure switch on top of the filter, and I disconnected it to see maybe there was a problem there, and I noticed there was a bunch of oil on the connector. So usually that means that the oil pressure switch is leaking internally, and that was probably the oil leak. And as you can see, it's on top of the oil filter. All right, and it's super easy to take to switch out. I'm gonna do a little short video right here on how to take it out. I used the 24 millimeter socket to take it out, but you could put your hand in here and you don't even have to remove the entire panel. You could just put your hand here where the hole is, and it has one connector, one pin connector. You just push down on it and then pull it out. Super simple. And I'll show a part number 2 what it was. As you can see, you have a bunch of space actually from down here. And like I said, it's a 24 millimeter. That's what I use to tighten it down. And I use a small wrench or ratchet. And this is the part number on it. And I'll show torque specifications at the end here. This is the instructions here. Super simple, and the torque is 7.2 to 8.7 foot-pounds. And then if it doesn't have any like sealant on it, it says to put the sealant free bond on it right there. So if you have any questions, let me know, and hopefully this helps you out.